Hey Dad,
Yes, classic Caillou.
can we go to McDonald's?
No.
I'm hungry, so let's go to McDonald's for tonight.
Classic Caillou, I said no. We're not going to McDonald's. We're having dinner.
I want McDonald's single quote sharp S.
Classic Caillou, I said no. We're not going to McDonald's or you have dinner.
Babe, there's no food in the fridge, so you take Classic Caillou to McDonald's.
Classic Caillou, did you hear that? So we are going to McDonald's, so me and you. Come on and let's go.
Classic Caillou, how dare you sneeze that? You will die. Sorry about that.
In for classic Caillou's anger. The camera just bombed. Buy a new one.